Hey, welcome back to another review of diecast car. My name is Pool, and today we are going to reviewing this one of the series of a Matchbox Japan Origins. Yes, this is the 2008 Honda Civic Type R, white color, from Japan Origin series number 3 from 12 here. This is the artwork for this Honda Civic. It's Honda Civic Type R 2008. This is the back of the car. As usual, as you can see, there's a super impressive police, the Honda Civic Type R itself, Honda Civic CVCC, Skyline, Master 3, and Toyota 4Runner. Okay, let's go unboxing this Matchbox Japan Origins series. Okay, let's open this Honda Civic Type R 2008 from Japan Origins. As you can see, Matchbox is quite safe for the car itself. There's a plastic here, and this is the Honda Civic Type R. Outside the bottle, you can see the artwork here, right? And you can see there. Look how cool is this Honda Civic. It can be, as you can see there, it's almost identical with the artwork itself. Nice. Okay, let's take a closer look. Let's see from the right side of the car. As you can see there, the detail for the door handle there, side mirror there, and also the interior is colored in black. You can see there's a middle mirror, right? Nice. From the front, it's looking gorgeous, right? You can see the headlights livery, the grille, the Honda logo there, the fog light there, the grills, the license plate, everything is awesome. And you can see the detail for the sprinkle to wash the headlights. Nice, right? You can see the windshield too. Looking great. The left side is the same as the right side. You can see the fuel cap here. And the rear parts of the car is looking great too. You can see the taillights livery there, Honda logo, Civic Type R, spoiler, the livery for the, I think this is the, here, for the glass here. You can see there's a, you can see the muffler too, right? And for the base, you can see this is the Honda Civic Type R 2008, 22 metal. The livery, the detail for the base is also great. This is the top for this Honda Civic Type R. This is a superb Honda Civic Type R from Matchbox. Okay, let's put this Matchbox, a Japan's Origin series of 2008 Honda Civic Type R, on the turntable so you can see how cool is this car it can be. Honestly, this is one of the best Matchbox I've ever seen. I love it very much. Okay, I hope you do enjoy our review on this Matchbox Japan Origins 2008 Honda Civic Type R series number 3 from 12. We will see you soon to review another diecast cars. Guys, have a nice day and goodbye.